Welcome to Graph Tutorials. I'm Shiva, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at how you can export just audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have a video here of a cat, and the cat is purring. But say I want to only export the sound and not the video itself. I can do so by going to Export on top or pressing Ctrl M. And then here, as you can see, you have video and audio. But when I disable video, audio also gets disabled, because with this you need at least a video fragment to be able to also export audio. But the way around to fix this is choosing your format. And if your format is set to H.264, it needs a video to be able to export. But if you just want your sound, you can choose MP3. And as you can see now, there is no video here. You only are going to export your sound. And that's because you chose MP3. Now you can also change the bitrate here, make it higher to have better quality. You can choose stereo, which is normally the thing you need, but you can also choose mono if you want it. And then, just like before with all other exports, you have to give it a name and select where you want to export it. And then you press export or send to media encoder. So that was a quick tutorial on how you can export only audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Also press the like button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more. And for now, stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.